Right, Sri Kumar Shekhar Vijendra, co-founder and Chancellor Shobhit University Meerut, for joining us. Mr. Vijendra is the Chancellor of Shobhit Meerut and Shobhit University Gangoa and is the founder, executive trustee of NIC Society Trust, a not-for-profit organization to meaningfully contribute towards the social upliftment, economic growth and employment generation, empowerment and overall development of youth on a sustainable basis. He volunteered to work full-time with NICE Society Trust. For the last 28 years, he has been instrumental in development of number of educational, social, and health organizations. So over to you, Sri Kumar Shekhar Vijendra, co-founder and chancellor, Shobhit University, Meerut.
Thank you very much, Shavik. It's indeed a pleasure and honor to be with you all today afternoon. First of all, let me congratulate and thank Shri Rajiv Ranjan Mishra ji, the DG of NMCG, for taking this initiative. As Sovik was mentioning, that let us listen to the other side. Actually, we all are sitting on the same side when Namami Gange comes. Because Ganga is not a government issue, Ganga is not a task of some officials, Ganga is a matter of faith, Ganga is a matter of spirituality, Ganga is emotionally attached to all of us. It's a part of our life. So, thank you very much for sharing all the initiatives what your department, the Ministry of Jal Shakti, is taking to make Ganga a viral, nirmal, and more pious and spiritual. Thank you very much. So many initiatives have been shared, and thank you, Bhavna Badala, for your initiative. We always look forward for young initiators like you, those who take initiative, and 1 million plus participants. It means a lot. It speaks about the importance of Ganga. Thank you, Bhavna, to you also. So, a lot of things and lot of possibilities had been discussed by Mishra ji. So, first of all, on behalf of Shobhit University, I would like to say something. There was a task that in universities, do we have some program specifically on Ganga? So, as the Chancellor of the university, I am happy to announce that after this program, Shobhit University will start a micro certification program on Ganga with the topic My Life, My Pride, Ganga. So, we will like to take inputs from Shri Rajiv Ranjan Mishra ji also on the same, from your ministry, and from all other colleagues, those who are here, and experts, those who will be there. It will be a program, a micro certification program initially, which slowly, maybe university will convert it into a credit program and which will be available to all the students of different streams, specializations they can opt for. I'm not an expert of neither water or river, but yes, I wanted to be ignited today before becoming a part of igniting young minds. And I have been ignited because when we look at Ganga, right from Gangotri to Ganga Sagar, 2,500 plus kilometers, a viral dhara is there. Yes, in Patna, from where Mishra ji comes, or in Allahabad, from where Dr. Abhay comes, or even in Meerut, some basin is there from where I hail, or Saharanpur, I can take. There are some challenges, but these challenges are local. And Ganga has to be seen as Jan Shakti is a new word. The same a word was given by Honorable Prime Minister also, Earth Shakti. And I believe that this Earth Shakti has to be, this message has to be sent to everybody around. You know, generally what is happening when we talk about we have to clean Ganga, we have to stop this sewage, we have to do this thing, people feel that they may lose their livelihood. Maybe some encroachment government is doing or the policymakers are doing on their rights. So, in masses, we have to make people understand that Ganga is not only an emotional issue or ecological issue, it is an economical issue So if it will be good, it will be clean, it will be pious, it will be spiritual, more possibilities of livelihood will be there. And how universities can participate. I was trying to find out on the website of Nawami Gange Mission that how many MOUs are there with the universities, how many projects are there with the universities, and how many R&D projects, collaborative projects are there. Unfortunately, I was not able to find much information on that. And many times it discourages the universities even to think about. Capacity is there, possibility is there, they wish to do it, but generally they want to see that, okay, what is the possibility where I can contribute. And thank you, Epic News Network, that today you have given us an opportunity to understand where we can contribute even beyond Ganga Quest. However, it is the immediate task, but yes, a lot of things can be done together. There are 1,000 plus universities, 40,000 plus higher education institutions. I was trying to find out that what cities this flow of Ganga is there, right from Gangotri to Ganga Sagar. Many major cities are there, and in every major city there are universities, there are institutions. So maybe sometime we have to think like it is told that when China wall was made, it was not made by one person. Every village, every town which was coming in between, they were given a task to build the wall. And it was connected and a complete wall was built. Maybe the same task has to be taken. If one agency will say, I will do it, it is a Hercules task. But if yes, okay, I am a university, I am coming on the way, this is the task, I have to do it. Definitely, we will love to do it, and our National Education Policy 2020 is talking about outreach programs. It is talking about social impact of the university has to be there. So, what I found like there are certain things. One is awareness, which can be created by universities among students, among other schools, even higher education institutes, through the students, through different type of programs. Uh, Ministry is doing, but still it can be added. When we look at the technology, high-tech technology for treatment, for other issues has been adopted by the ministry, by this mission. But many times I personally feel that there is lack of skilled human resource. Engineers are available, but beyond engineers, we need many people, those who can implement and sustain that technology. So that development of those certain skills, universities can participate in that. If that confidence is given to the universities, yes, you can do that. R&D part, especially on local issues and challenges. Where the universities are, if we do a survey and we find, okay, Ganga goes from here or Ganga basin is there, and these may be the local challenges and R&D part can be given to the universities, it may be very helpful. One very important issue was raised by Shri Mishra ji, that was behavioral issues. That we say, okay, Ganga is Ma, we say Ganga is pious, spiritual, but still we throw all trash over there. So in behavioral issues also, like if I look at Shobit University, we have a Center for Psychology and Human Behavior, which I believe that in Western UP, it is one of the best center. And other universities must also be having such centers. So it means behavioral issues can also be addressed, uh, linking with their astha, faith, and all those things. And for that, awareness drives can be there, studies can be there, and we can find out why these behavioral issues are there in spite of the fact that we all believe in that. One more point was there, local history, tradition, and heritage, tangible and intangible both. So if the universities, higher education institutes, they are given this task, they are involved in this exercise, I believe they can do it. Because in every university, every institution, maximum of the students are coming from local area. Minimum 40%, 50%, 60%, and even in many universities, it is more than 80%. So many of the history, especially intangible heritage, if we talk about traditions, kya the, music kaisa tha, what were the dances, how people used to pray Ganga, those are in villages. They are nobody is talking about in our research papers. those papers can come out, ecological and economical drives. When I say that livelihood challenges, people feel afraid that yes, some drives can be there with the help of MSMEs. Universities are supposed to work with MSMEs, especially our business schools can do that wonderful job. So if that economical drive, okay, आप गंगा के किनारे यहाँ बैठते थे, now there is a change. But yes, we can suggest you what you will do, what you can do more, how your livelihood can be saved. So these are some of the major points which quickly came to my mind, and I thought I should share on this wonderful platform. And thank you very much, APEC. Thank you very much, Ministry of Jal Shakti. Let us make it Jan Shakti. And thank you very much, Shri Mishra ji, for a very wonderful, elaborated talk today. And I repeat that Shobit University is starting a certificate program immediately at our earliest called Ganga, My Life, My Pride. And I'm looking forward for the guidance of everybody, especially the DG of Namami Gange Mission on the same. Thank you very much.